Hello and welcome to Tips and Tricks. My name is Greg Ennin, a training support specialist for the AT and UDL Loan Library, Hollywood Distribution Center. Welcome to the video series on Microsoft Narrator in the Windows operating system. These features help support all learners through universal education and is a Tier 1 support in Florida's multi-tier systems of supports. Students using a Windows computer can self-select these supports to remove any barriers and increase engagement during instruction of the Florida Best Standards. Narrator is a free screen reader app that comes with Windows that reads text on the screen and describes what is happening on your PC. To start or stop Narrator, press the Windows key plus Control key plus Enter key simultaneously on your keyboard.
Scan, Narrator heading Level 1. Welcome to Narrator. This is Narrator Home, where you can get help, access your settings, and learn about new features. Narrator is a screen reader that describes aloud what's on your screen, so you can use that information to navigate your device. To start or stop Narrator, press the Windows logo key plus Control plus Enter. Explore the sections below to get started. Quick Start button, learn the basics of Narrator.
To change Narrator features, click on the Settings icon.
Settings button. Settings window, scan off.
Here you can change Narrator startup options. From here you can also change the voice of Narrator.
Microsoft Zira, English, United States, 2 of 5.
Personalize narrator's voice. Choose a voice. Microsoft Mark, English, United States.
You can also change voice speed, voice pitch, and voice volume. Finally, press the Windows plus Control plus Enter key to turn Narrator off.
Exiting Narrator.
On behalf of the Technology and Learning Connections team, I would like to say thank you for joining us today. Please keep an eye on our website for additional videos and support.